In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook video watch history. We start on our Facebook main homepage, and to delete our Facebook video watch history, the first step is to go to the top of this main homepage, and among all the icons that appear here, we must go to the left where these three horizontal lines are displayed, and we press on them to open this menu. Now here we're going to scroll down until we see the section labeled Settings and Privacy. We click on it to display it, and now among all the options that appear below, we're going to the first one, Settings, and we can press there to open the next menu. Now that we're here, the next step is to scroll down more and more until we see a section labeled Your Activity and Permissions, and here among all the options that appear, we're going to the first option, Activity Log, and we press there. Now that we're here, we have to go to the first option labeled Your Facebook Activity. We click on this arrow on its right to display it, and here among all the options below, we enter in the Post section, so we click on the button labeled Manage Posts. After that, in this page, we have to go to the top left where the Filters button appears. We click there, and in this panel at the bottom, we click where it says Categories. Now here we have to select the option Videos You've Watched, and here at the top we will see a text labeled Clear Video Watch History. Now we press on Clear, and that's everything.